So my name is Gijs. I'm one of the cluster leaders in Frankfurt. I'm Dutch and I've been here since last year, 2021. I'm heading up the infrastructure operations, the data centers and the networking with my team, and together we're delivering sustainable and world-class operations and maintenance of our data centers to ensure that for all our customers we always have our services available. I have a quite diverse career. So before this, I've worked more than a decade in oil and gas, in platforms at the North Sea, which is very similar, also critical operations. I've worked here in Germany, in Hamburg, and did all kind of various roles actually across the globe. And before that, I've worked actually in aerospace as well. The choice is quite obvious when I looked around of what I would like to do, and I had a couple criteria. And one of them was that I wanted to work in an industry that's really growing and is relevant for the future in terms of making the world a more sustainable place, but also in one of the future products and things that we'll be using. At the same time, also I learned more and more about Amazon. It was the culture that really attracted me, right? The focus, the leadership principles, customer obsession. And at the same time, of course, also the opportunities to learn. There were so many things, right, that you can learn in Amazon that people that worked actually told me about, and opportunities you get. Those three really made me choose to work for AWS. Yes, the city of Frankfurt to me was one of the reasons why I really like this role actually. Because the city has a lot of contradictions in a positive way. You have the city life, as well as you have a lot of nature. You have a lot of new buildings and high rises, and on the other hand you have the history. All those things actually come together, and it's actually a very thriving city as well. For me, it's one of the things why I really like this role and to be. It's a great culture, to be part of and to experience actually the customer obsession, the data focus, the drive by all the teams, as well as of course I think the uniqueness of the amount of opportunities are there and things to learn. There's never a day where you're not learning new things or where you don't get an opportunity to step up and do something new and to grow.